Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust your clip's speed and duration in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the easiest way to do this is to simply right click on the clip you have in your timeline and then look for the option speed/duration. So you can adjust the speed so you can make it faster or slower, or alternatively you can adjust the target duration. So let's say I want to make this clip 5 seconds long. It's automatically going to adjust the speed proportionately. So if I click on OK, as you can see, it's a lot faster. So it automatically adjusts the speed of the clip. Alternatively, you can also just adjust the speed if you have a target in mind. So let's say I want to make it 2 times faster. I'm going to click on OK. And if I go back and play it, that's what it looks like. So that's how you can quickly adjust the speed and duration of a certain clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.